Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 6R, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find Clock app, and when you find it, just click on it. Then choose Agree in the pop-up and tap on Allow in this one. Then click on Allow in the other one. And finally, choose Alarm over here if it's not already on. Then create your own by choosing this plus icon. Now set up an hour. When you're ready, you can click on Repeat and tap on one of those options. Only once from Monday to Friday, every day, or Custom. I will go with Custom, so now I can pick days of the week manually, like Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and then save my changes by going back. Now click on Name and label your alarm however you want to. You can pick Work, Learning, or choose Custom. Type in wherever you wish to. I will go with some gibberish and then tap on OK. Now choose Alarm Ringtone, click on Allow and pick the best melody for you by clicking on it and selecting OK to save it. I will go with maybe Nubia Mile and tap on OK. You can also click on Alarm Ringtone and tap on Local Music instead. Then pick music from your smartphone by clicking on the song and save it by choosing OK. Now to save your alarm, just tap on OK at the bottom right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully created. In order to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. Then tap on one of those options. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to edit it, just click on it, make some changes. I will go with from Monday to Friday and save them by choosing OK. If you wish to get rid of your alarm though, you need to hold it, then select Delete option here and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Now to adjust even more alarm settings, click on gear icon at the top right corner and manage all of them however you wish to, like snooze. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!